What's up, guys? This is Kevin from Matador here. Today we're going to talk through a couple tips and tricks with our refillable toothpaste tubes. So one thing that we've encountered when folks are getting these for the first time is a little bit of difficulty getting this rear slider off. So instead of just pinching and yarding on it as hard as you can, what we found is if you just grab right below the slider here and use either a table, your bathroom countertop, whatever, you can just kind of push it like that, and that'll help get it started for a nice and easy release. Secondly, each one of these has a silica packet on the inside. Go ahead and take that out so that you're not ending up with some dry toothpaste there. You can go ahead, fill it up with toothpaste, toss this slider right back in there. You'll be good to go. And then the last thing is this cap. Just be wary of over tightening it. Just a nice snug tighten should do the job there. That's about it for toothpaste tubes, but thank you guys for tuning in. If you have any questions, please reach out to customer service at matadorequipment.com, and they'll take care of you. Thank you.